Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to install the DNSPython add-on on Kodi, step by step and super easy. If you're new here, make sure to like the video, subscribe, and hit the notification bell so you never miss our latest Kodi guides. All right, let's jump right into it. First, you'll need to download the DNSPython add-on zip file from our Telegram channel. I've added the download link in the comment section below this video. Just click the link and save the file somewhere you can find easily later, like your downloads folder. Now launch Kodi on your device. Once it opens, go to the add-on section from the Kodi home screen. In the top left corner, you'll see a small open box icon. This is the package installer. Go ahead and click on it. Next, select Install from zip file. If this is your first time installing a third-party add-on, Kodi may show a warning about unknown sources. Don't worry, this is normal. If you see the warning, go to Settings, Open System, select Add-ons, Enable Unknown Sources. Remember, third-party add-ons don't receive automatic updates. Now return to Install from zip file. Navigate to the folder where you saved the zip file earlier. Select the DNSPython zip file and click on it. Kodi will start installing the add-on. Just wait a few seconds until you see the installation notification in the top right corner. That's it. The DNSPython add-on is now successfully installed on your Kodi.